So we're still cooking our little baby, well, mid-size octopus. So you can see the little guy has come out of the stock. I've been chilling it all night actually. So you've got lovely tentacles that have now curled. Okay, and you've got the head part here. So what I'm going to do is just take that bit off. It's real simple. There we go. Put the knife in. And there you've got that head part. We'll deal with that in a second. And then we've got all the tentacles. So all I'm going to do is just go in, just gently. I don't want to cut the tips off underneath. And we'll just separate all these legs out, just gently. See, so it's really simple with a really sharp knife, just to get that. Just separating gently, and then we'll pull out in a second. So really simple. Then what I'm going to do is pan fry these legs afterwards. Hold on, there's two. Now, let's just separate these out. I'll just show you one, and then you'll get bored. So, see there, so you've got a lovely tentacle, so it looks nice. So that's like one on top. I'm going to do a paella, and so that will just go on top of the paella. So obviously we'll do all the 8 the same way, and just get them out of the way. And the head part I'm just going to piece up really simply. That's not going to be quite as nice, and I think I'll have to just go in half. And I'm just going to tidy this up inside and cut some little strips out of it, and then we'll cook that. We'll just griddle it for a few minutes, maybe not even that, just to get some heat in it. And then we'll stick it on top of the paella. So there we go. Another phase of the octopus.